Last month, many veterans attended the unveiling of the Vietnam Healing Wall. It took the organizers a long while to create the wall.
So several alumni from the class of 1967 at Oak Park had the original idea to create the wall. They were the ones who collected all the names and made sure they had all the correct information for everyone. And then they brought that idea to the district and we supported them as they raised the money they needed to create the wall. It took them about 3 years to collect almost 300 names and raise about $5,000 to create the wall.
As the alumni walked through the hall, they shared their memories of being a veteran.
These guys I split with from Northtown, and I went to Northtown and they went to Oak Park, but we went to grade school and junior high and everything else with them.
I remember all the memories of being here at Oak Park, so many years ago, and also thinking about my time in the service and all the things that happened then.
The alumni and the veterans also gave advice to this year's students.
That people died for their freedoms, and that they're actually one of the ones that all of them that's there. The top row is the ones that didn't come back, and the bottom rows are the ones that served. And they're serving today probably, so it makes them a difference and gives them some ideas that hey, freedom is not free.
I'd like them to think about all the people that actually went in and did not get to come home, and reflect on that and understand their sacrifice and what they gave up to serve their country.
I think the wall is a really special reminder of the sacrifices that so many have made to keep our country free and safe.
The Healing Wall reminds us of those who have fallen and others who have served. Reporting for The Axe, this has been Ben Haas.